Welcome to our channel, where we invite you to travel with us as we explore hidden gems in our beautiful country. In this video we travel to Libertas guest farm in the beautiful hills above Wilderness. Here we will be meeting up with family, but a little bit more on that a little bit later. Right, so we have just arrived at Libertas guest farm. This is called the Farmhouse. There is other accommodation also on this working farm. It's a dairy farm. We are meeting here with a whole lot of family for the next 2 nights. So it won't be camping, but again, like the last 2 videos, a little bit of luxury, but getting some filming done now quickly before all the crowd arrives. So it's a lovely old farmhouse, still with all the old beams. Looks beautiful, hey Delia?
Lovely.
And out the back, beautiful lawns, and also a very nice spot over there. A nice little chill out zone. And so the farmhouse is a lovingly restored 150-year-old farmstead. During restoration it was discovered that the beams were made of yellow wood and the flooring the original Oregon pine. The farmhouse can accommodate up to 10 people. There are 3 bedrooms downstairs and 4 beds in the loft. And so this is the front stoop or veranda. A very nice garden, beautiful view of the mountains in the background. Another nice little area to sit. And so, as already mentioned, we are meeting Delia's family here for 2 nights. Dee's aunt is 82 years old and her uncle a whopping 97. And along with them will be her cousins from St. Francis Bay. Close to the farmhouse is this indigenous wooded kloof, making a natural corridor for wildlife movement. The owners at one stage set up a trail camera and captured some amazing sightings that they have kindly shared with us.
Good morning. Hello.
So on the other side of the farm, they've got these 3 cottages and really looking nice. This is Friesland. One of the cottages, there are people in there, so we won't be intrusive there. And just take a quick video of this one.
This is a beautiful one. It's got a hot tub and a bra area. Friesland cottage. This is Jersey Cottage, part of the Libertas farm. Extremely cute. Self-catering. Lovely little place to sit and eat, and rattan chairs to relax in, and a bra area there in the corner, surrounded by trees and shrubs. Very peaceful.
So as mentioned, this is a working farm, a dairy farm. These are Jersey cattle. They supplied some of the milk to the cottage that we're staying in. Absolutely amazing with this very thick cream topping in the milk bottle. Absolutely beautiful. So the farmhouse where we are staying is about 4 kilometers away from the rest of the units on this farm. Here in this section they have got the dairy, which is a 6-sleeper, Friesland cottage, an 8-sleeper, Ayrshire Cottage was a 6-sleeper, Jersey Cottage a 7-sleeper, and then the Albus Glamping, which can be a 6 or 7-sleeper. A little bit of a goat farm, jungle gym for the goats. So the last of the accommodation options here at Libertas is Albus. Now Albus is owned by a popular Afrikaans singer, Elvis Blue, who won the Idols contest many years ago. But the best way to probably explain this will be to read off the brochure that is issued from Libertas, and this will probably explain it a lot better. So this extraordinary mobile home was meticulously crafted as part of a VIA television show in 2022 with the creative input of the popular Afrikaans singer and songwriter Elvis Blue. Originally designed as a luxury haven for Elvis Blue and his family during their tours, Albus is now available as a unique glamping experience on our farm. Albus boasts comfortable sleeping arrangements, including a double bed inside the bus and 2 rooftop tents, each with its own double bed.
Good one, Bryn. You've got to be. Come swing. Okay.
That's a bacon, crispy bacon, banana and peanut butter sandwich toasted in the bacon fat. Elvis is famous.
Elvis who?
Elvis, not Elvis Blue. Elvis Presley's famous sandwich.
Oh.
Oh. My God.
And so after 2 crazy but fun-filled days with family, it is now time for us to depart and start heading home. Had a fantastic time here at Libertas and highly recommend it. What a super place to come and chill out with many accommodation options. Really worthwhile to put onto your list as somewhere to visit, not too far from Cape Town and all along the Garden Route. Beautiful area. And so with the rain starting to come down, we leave Wilderness and travel to Great Brak or Grootbrak, where we just go for a quick look at the island there at Grootbrak, where we used to stay for many holidays. Lovely spot. And then head on to Mossel Bay, where we, in the rain, have a beautiful lunch at Dolfino's. And then back in the car and head home. Remember, if you enjoy these videos, to give a thumbs up, click the bell icon to be reminded of any new videos, and please, if you enjoy these videos, please subscribe to our channel. Enjoy our travels with us.